Happening right now, an online portal to apply for hurricane relief is now up and running in the city of Tampa. A little more than $3 million available for homeowners who meet certain criteria. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser breaks down the application process and who qualifies.
Well, Tampa Mayor Jane Castor acknowledges that $3.2 million is a drop in the bucket when you consider that Tampa residents suffered about $750 million in damages from Hurricanes Helene and Milton. Still, it's something, and for those who receive the assistance, it could be a huge relief. Lots of folks are still struggling, especially in neighborhoods that were considered non-flood zones but went underwater during Hurricanes Helene and Milton when backup generators at city pumps failed. The portal for the disaster grant applications that opened today is a two-step process. First to qualify, and then next week, a more detailed application sent to those who do. There are certain economic limits. You have to be a homeowner, and that home must be in the city of Tampa. 3 categories of assistance: up to $5,000 for mortgage assistance, $10,000 for insurance deductibles, and up to $20,000 for documented and permitted repairs.
And then from there, it will also talk about what you will need to provide for each of those funding requests.
Those initial applications must be received this week. And for those who need more information, there are 2 community meetings, Tuesday between 3 and 7 p.m. at the Seminole Heights Garden Center on Central Avenue, and another on Thursday between 3 and 7 p.m. at the new Tampa Rec Center on Commerce Park Boulevard. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And originally the idea was to set aside this money for only those who were living in non-flooded zones who are impacted by the city pump failures, but the application process is open to all Tampa homeowners who qualify.